Hey, I'm Brian Van, sportbiketrackgear.com, and today we're going to break down the Icon Hypersport 2 leather jacket. Okay, the Hypersport 2 leather jacket retails for $425 as of the time that we're filming this video. Please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only if the jacket itself has been redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 197 pounds, 33-inch waist right now. I'm wearing a size 56 Euro in the Hypersport 2 jacket. This is their attack fit. It's supposed to be more form-fitting. Realistically, I'd probably be a little better off in the size 54 Euro with this coat. We all like different fits, so if you're looking for that more form-fitting fit from the coat, okay, take the information I've just given you, look at the size chart, and maybe lean towards the size smaller, okay? What I do like about the 56 is the room in the arms and the shoulders is good for me. It just gets a little bit much here in the midsection area, right? There's plenty of extra room there, so if I were going to keep this jacket, I would probably want to go down a size. I'm going to come right out and tell you, comparing this to its previous version, I'm not in love with this one. It's not a horrible jacket, but I think the other one was a little bit better. Just fit, finish, and style. For me personally, I preferred the other one. The quality of the coat is still good, in my opinion. This comes with D3O CE certified armor in the elbow, forearm, shoulder, as well as the back protector. That's all good premium stuff. Quality leather, quality zips, quality stretch fabric are all used here in this coat. Let's talk about features that it includes. The ventilation system is really pretty trick. You see this seam right here. They've done a great job of hiding zippered ventilation, that it doubles as large storage pockets. You have a little perforated panel back there, and that pops open a little bit, but not a ton. So with this jacket, you don't really have any perforation anywhere else. You're not going to have a ton of airflow, and that's something that I really look for when it comes to a jacket, especially a leather jacket or a leather suit. I want that thing to be perforated like crazy, so when you're out there riding in the good weather, you enjoy it because you have enough cooling built in. Give you a look at how big deep this pocket actually is. These are my fingertips down here, and that's going to be a mirror image on both sides. So doubles as ventilation and storage. Hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides. And you can see, right, I do have, I wear like 2-3X gloves. That's not the biggest pocket in the world either. I mean, I'm having a hard time just even getting my mitten there, and this is a size 56 jacket. Volume adjuster here at the waist. I think this looks a little wonky the way it points forward, right? I like the way, traditionally from front to back, but this is leather with metal snaps. Jacket does have some nice motion panels built into it, so it's good and comfortable as far as that goes. You will pick up a little bit of airflow through this stretch fabric, right? This appears to flow air freely, a little up into the chest here, right? A lot of internal storage with this coat. We'll show you that when we take it off. There's some reflectives built into. We're going to cover that in the second part of this video. So if you want more information, you're interested in it, stay tuned for the second part. Okay, here we go. The Icon Hypersport 2 leather jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes complete with a full complement of D3O CE certified armor. Here is your back protector. Low profile, moldable, flexible, super comfortable, yet very protective. Elbow and forearm piece. Shoulder piece. Chassis of the jacket. We've got good quality leather here. We've got some cool screen printing done, some reflectiveness. Little reflective insert here, right? Icon Motorsports logo. Very subtle logo here. And these large leather motion panels. We've got the Icon logo done. It's kind of asymmetrical. That looks pretty cool. Screen printed details there. Volume adjustment at the waist is done with metal snaps, leather, little TPR detail at the end. That's an area where Icon really shines those fine details with their products. A lot of style. Sleeve of the coat. Leather Icon logo overlay here in the shoulder. I like that. Looks pretty cool. Contrasting colors. Motion panel in the elbow. Another screen printed detail there. Stretch fabric. This stretch fabric will allow for some airflow, some air transfer. Entry and exit is done here in the cuff with a spring-loaded locking zipper. Nice mesh liner inside. More reflectiveness is found here on the sleeve Icon Motorsports logo. You'll find that on both sleeves. Get to the front of the coat. Some more screen printed details here. Hand warmer style storage pockets both sides with a nice locking zip. Ventilation is managed not only through the stretch fabric you see, but there are also 2 active vents in the front of the coat that are hidden. Zip that open. That's a locking zip once again. You have a perforated leather panel behind it. It also doubles as a storage pocket. You can see my fingertips are right there, so it's a fairly large pocket. You're going to find that on both sides of the coat, and they really did a nice job of blending that into the style of the jacket. Icon logo is done here with a leather overlay, contrasting colors. Inside the coat, lots of storage. Left breast. This is going to have that little stash pocket with the St. Christopher medal. You've got a storage pocket here inside the coat. Slip pocket here, slip pocket here. Large slip pocket here in the mesh, large one over here. We have a zip to pants attachment system, full circumference or 8-inch. This is going to work with a Hypersport pants from Icon if you want to have a 2-piece riding suit. Comfort fabric up here at the collar to keep it feeling good around the neck. Nice mesh liner. All in all, what do I think of the jacket? It is a good jacket. Icon makes one hell of a motorcycle jacket. If you dig the style, you're going to love the protection and the comfort you'll get from the Hypersport 2.